This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson store, and this is one of our newest arrivals. It's a 2027 Peterbilt 589 in candy apple red. Has a 58-inch flat top sleeper. 13,200 pound capacity steer axle. It's 272-inch wheelbase. Got your polished DEF tank cover. Got a 100-gallon fuel tank over here on the driver's side. Frame-mounted toolbox. She's riding around on 11R 24.5s on Peterbilt polished aluminum wheels. 40,000 pound air trac rear suspension. Locking differentials. It's got 355 gears. Got our stainless steel mud flap hangers. Our battery jump start studs out here by the trailer connections. This is a 150-gallon tank. It's split between 100 gallons of fuel and 50 gallons of hydraulic oil. We've put some extra chicken lights underneath the cab. We've also got the extra lights in front of and behind the air cleaners. Stainless steel dual-sided cab exhaust. 4 roof-mounted air horns. We put the stainless steel rock guards underneath the headlights. Big Texas-style chrome bumper. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, we've got our 565 horse Cummins X15 with 2050 torque. And then behind that, we've got our Eaton XD 18-speed automated. It's the XD Pro. Inside, we've got our platinum interior, air ride leather seats. Extra gauges in the dash, AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. Got our pull-out work surface over here in the dash. Up top, we've got our uniden bearcat CB radio mounted in the header. And our sleeper. Got our small refrigerator. There's all the covers for your bunk doors and the back window. This truck also has the premium sound system with the amplifier and a subwoofer. It also has the 1800 watt inverter with shore power. Is our speaker and subwoofer box, our shore power, so if you could use this, give me a call. We also have them in white, we've got them in black, and we've got one in blue. The number is 706-372-4698. Look forward to working with you.